At TruckLogics, we know invoicing can be a nightmare, and any delay in the billing process can literally bring your business to a standstill. After adding a load to TruckLogics, an invoice template is automatically generated for you to quickly bill your customer or broker. Make any necessary changes to the invoice while it's still a draft, and even add a factoring company to your invoice to remit payment to. Once you've finalized your invoice details, email your customer, broker, and/or factory company directly from your TruckLogics account. An email message is automatically created to notify your contact. Need to include your rate confirmation and bill of lading for complete invoicing? That's easy. Select Choose from Load Documents to quickly attach additional documentation that you or even your driver uploaded using the TruckLogics mobile app. Don't forget to copy yourself on the email to track responses in your inbox. Never forget to invoice a load by checking your Load Financial module for any uninvoiced or unpaid loads. Want to track payments and outside invoices? Utilize your aging report located in the Accounts module by clicking Invoicing and then Aging Reports. View all invoices broken down by status as well. Most importantly, you gotta collect. Receive payment on the fly by using the Receive Payment tool. Simply search your customer, pick which loads to receive on, verify the date and amount, and click Save. And that's it, you're paid. So say goodbye to the invoicing nightmare and hello to TruckLogics. Learn how to automate your invoicing and so much more by visiting TruckLogics.com or give us a call at 704-234-6946.